In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could edit videos here on a PS5 using ShareFactory Studio. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but begin by obviously downloading ShareFactory Studio, because it's essentially the PS5 upgraded version of the ShareFactory from the PS4, and it's completely free. Go over to the PlayStation Store, go ahead and scroll up to the very top and hit search, and then go ahead and search for ShareFactory Studio, just like so. Once you go ahead and search for it, go ahead and hit download and install it. And once it's installed, open it up from your home screen. And when you open up ShareFactory Studio, you're going to see options like Bits, Video Editor, Photo Editor, and Toolbox. Go ahead and select Video Editor and create a new project. There is templates to choose from if you'd like to, and there's a lot of pretty cool styles available. Or you could scroll and do a simple creation option if you don't want a template, and you could add intro clips, title screens, and outros. And then, of course, you can import your gameplay clips as well, and you can preview any of these clips with R2 and select them with X. Whenever you're ready, hit square to start the project, and then of course it's going to be like a normal editing software. You'll be on a timeline. You can press R2 to play, L1 and R1 to move between clips, the touchpad to scrub through the footage, and square to open up the editing toolbar, where you can, within the toolbar, split clips, trip clips, go ahead and move clips, delete clips, add transitions, text, music, and effects as well. There's a lot that you can do in ShareFactory, and whenever you're ready, hit the options button and select export to gallery, where you can go ahead and change the name, adjust the export settings, and after exporting, it's going to be saved in your media gallery, where you can upload it to YouTube, transfer it to a USB drive, or move it to another device. It really is as simple as that. That's everything that you could do here in ShareFactory Studio. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.